Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss some key features of Amazon EC2, and there are many features of AWS EC2. Some of them are customizable instances, cost-effective pricing, high availability, scalability, flexibility, integration with other AWS services. So these are the main features which Amazon EC2 provides us. So let's discuss these features one by one. First feature is customizable instances. EC2 instances are available in various instances type, each optimized for different use cases. For example, there are instances suitable for general purpose computing, instances with enhanced networking capabilities for high performance applications, instances optimized for memory intensive workload, and many more. So, these are some kinds of instance types of EC2 instance which are general purpose, compute optimized, memory optimized, storage optimized, and GPU instances. So I'll make a dedicated video regarding the instance type, and I'll discuss on that video what is instance type and what are these types. For example, general purpose, compute, memory, storage optimized, what are the use cases. So as of now, we are discussing only features of EC2. Another feature is cost effectiveness. With EC2, you only pay for compute capacity you actually use. There is no upfront cost or long-term commitment, making it cost effective for both small startups and large enterprises. Additionally, AWS offers various pricing models and purchasing options to optimize cost further. So there are different pricing models of EC2 instance. Some of them are on-demand, reserved instances, spot, saving plans, and I'll also make a dedicated video with detailed pricing models and when to use which model. Another feature of EC2 instance is reliability and availability. AWS provides high availability using multiple availability zones, data center redundancy. So with EC2, AWS has a robust infrastructure that ensures high availability and reliability. EC2 instances can be spread across multiple data centers within a region. Means if we created an EC2 instance in suppose US East region, we can also create in another region, providing redundancy and fault tolerance. AWS also offers features like auto scaling, elastic load balancing, which help distribute traffic and automatically adjust resources to maintain performance and availability. So in this diagram, you can see that there are EC2 instances in public subnet and as well as private subnet, and the public EC2s are in US West 2A and 2B, and another private instance is in US West 2. So this is how we create instances in different availability zones, and I'll explain everything what is VPC, public subnets and availability zone and AWS global infrastructure in my upcoming video. Another feature of EC2 is scalability. EC2 allows you to easily create your compute capacity up or down based on demand. You can launch multiple instances or resize existing ones to handle increased or decreased workloads, ensuring that you have the right amount of computing power when you need it. For example, our website is hosted on EC2 instance, and this website is getting high traffic we can scale up another instance. So that is how we manage traffic. And EC2 instances by scalability can handle traffic spikes, and they can reduce resources when demand drops. Another feature of EC2 is EC2 as an AWS building block. So EC2 instances integrates with many AWS services such as Amazon S3 for storage, RDS for database, VPC for networking, and more. For example, let's consider a scenario in which EC2 instance will upload logs to S3 bucket so it can integrate very easily, or EC2 instance need to communicate to database to create tables so it can integrate very easily. And also we can create EC2 in our custom VPC. We can define networking for EC2, what will be the security group, which subnet this EC2 will be in. For example, we want to make our EC2 private, so we will create EC2 in private subnet. And we can also monitor EC2 with CloudWatch logs. This enables you to build comprehensive and scalable solutions using a wide range of AWS services that works together. Another feature of EC2 is flexibility. EC2 provides a wide range of instances type, operating system, software configurations to choose from. This flexibility allows you to tailor your virtual machines to match your specific requirements, whether it is running a web server, hosting a database, performing data analytics, or running a machine learning model. For example, we need our EC2 instance to run on operating systems such as Linux or Windows. So we have a flexibility to choose any operating system we want. We can choose all of Ubuntu's Linux operating system, Windows, Mac OS, and many more. We can configure our EC2 instance with many storage options. We can choose elastic block storages, we can choose file storages, and we can choose different volumes up to our requirement. So there is a flexibility to create EC2 instance according to our need. This is it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.